How's everyone doing today? Thank you for tuning in to C3 for your crypto content. Today we're going to be going over KuCoin and how to borrow money based on the assets that you already have online when ETH gas prices just seem too high and it makes more sense to pay a little bit in loans. My apologies for the noises. I have my TradingView alerts going off, trying to maintain my trades as well as put out good content for you guys. So pardon my alerts, let's continue on. That being said, we have on KuCoin, you go up to the top left, you have markets by crypto, trade and derivatives, earn and more. You're going to want to go to the earn tab, go down to crypto lending, click crypto lending. Fortunately, that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about borrowing, not lending. That'll be a later video at later times. Please hold in with us. Here you click borrow, you go ahead and you look at what the current market rate is. The daily interest rate can sometimes be competitively sought after, but today for video purposes, we're going to kind of go with a rough market price. We're going to hit around 245 to 249, and we'll just take out $4,000 for tutorial purposes. Now, whenever I do this, I like to go to the longest time possible. So 28 days is generally the only time that we go for. But if you wanted a 7-day or 14-day loan, sometimes you can get those at a slightly better rate. But I prefer the cushion of time than the cushion of percentage. So here at the amount, you type in what you're looking to own. That will be proportionately taken off of what you hold on the exchange as collateral. You click borrow, and literally within seconds, you can go ahead and snipe in a loan. Now, either you can do it at market face value and do it right away, or because I'm competitive and I just like feeling like I got a good deal, I'll go ahead and competitively go. And unfortunately, we just executed $10. Once you've posted that, it will not continue to fill. So therefore, you have to go back in and attempt to fill in what wasn't executed in your initial order. So being that only $10 were filled, what we want to do is we want to continue to go ahead and execute the same percentage and the same order again. So we'll go ahead and type in 0.249, and you can see those orders are being posted right now to our right. And then we'll go ahead down to amount below us and type in the same amount that we're trying to snipe, about 4,000. I'd love to get this order right here at 3,000 and maybe the one below it. It will continue to stack to fill the order that you're placing. So right here, we'll go back to it again, try one more time, and second time's the charm. That's how easy, how quickly, and how effortlessly you can borrow whatever sum of money you are in a position to borrow from KuCoin instantly, literally within minutes. No social security, no income requirements, no multiple day verification. Within minutes, you can come across this. This is honestly the most effortless and efficient manner I've ever found in pursuing this. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. Please, ladies and gentlemen, remember this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Here at C3 Crypto, we just try to share with you the things that we found that are improving our life and hope that you can have tools that help you improve your life. Thank you. Have a great day. Good times, Cali vibes.